When I installed the BrassCraft 1/2 inch compression straight valve under my kitchen sink, I followed the instruction, but there was a persistent drip from the nut. While it may seem like a minor leak, it can lead to water damage and mold growth if left unaddressed. I used 2 wrenches, one to tighten the nut and another one to hold the valve and pipe steady. I tightened it until a snug fit, and then a little more, but the dripping continued. This is actually a common problem. The packing nut on a compression valve is designed to create a watertight seal around the valve stem. If this nut is slightly loose, it allows water to seep out. Simply making it snug may not be enough. I almost gave up and thought that the valve is faulty, but I made a few more attempts to tighten the valve. Make sure to turn the nut no more than a quarter turn at a time, because applying excessive force can damage the internal packing washer or even crack the valve body. BrassCraft recommends using a thread sealant to make the job easier, but simply tightening the nut is sufficient. After each small adjustment, thoroughly dry the valve and the surrounding area. Patiently observe the valve for a few minutes to see if the dripping has stopped. In my case, after a few turns, the drip finally stopped. The valve was working perfectly again. If the leak persists after several careful tightening attempts, it may be time to consider replacing the entire valve.